am your boy Larry, representing MCS Fitness. It's a beautiful day. I've been through so much in the past few weeks. We will discuss that later, but for now, I just got done doing, wait for it, faster cardio. I got some things I need to tell y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into my first meal, and I wanna put it on, I almost said film, I wanna actually put it on video so I can kind of walk y'all through and do a voiceover. Apparently, a lot of people, a lot of men especially, nowadays don't know how to fucking cook. If you don't know how to fucking cook, you better learn if you want to do this activity. So I'm gonna kind of walk y'all through my breakfast. So, commentary coming. Next clip. One. What's up? We in the kitchen. So here's a typical meal for me. You know what I'm saying? My typical breakfast. So I got my egg whites and my whole egg. I got 10 ounces of liquid egg whites and one whole egg I'm putting in there right now. This is kind of like an omelet that I make every morning after fasted cardio. Consists of mushrooms, peppers, and mini peppers. And what else did I put in there? I think that's about it, yeah. Oh, and onion. And I mixed that all together. But I know there's a lot of fellas out there that, you know what I'm saying, we kind of fell off. We're falling off. It fell off. We don't know how to cook. You know what I'm saying? So this is just, you know, maybe it's a little bit of motivation seeing you know what I'm saying, a young man behind the blade of a kitchen knife actually putting the shit together. So hopefully it's to motivate y'all to be able to take pride in not only your craft, but in the kitchen as well, man. Because remember, this is a lifestyle, right? And part of this lifestyle is being able to cook and prepare your meals, because that's where everything starts. It's in the kitchen and fitness. So I'm just cutting this green pepper up with a dull ass knife. Make sure that your utensils, your knives are ready and good to go and shit like that. Make sure you have adequate equipment to assist you. So right now I'm just cutting up some onions. I'm gonna cut up some mushrooms, and you know, I figured I would just, you know, kind of walk y'all through this so you can see the food that I use, because your diet food does not have to be nasty. It does not have to be nasty. You know, contrary to popular belief, but I take pride in taking time with my foods. I want it to taste good because you have to eat it anyway. And there's some spinach I also throw in there for some vitamin K, some micros. It's very important that you get your greens in. So I'm just going to throw that in the pan first and let that kind of, you know, heat up for a little bit, and it'll shrivel up a little bit. And then, you know, it makes for a good base in the omelet that I'm about to prepare here. In all reality, before I started cutting up anything or anything like that, I should have threw that in there so it would have been ready to go. But that's what it typically should look like before you put the omelet in there. So I got my eggs already ready to go. I'm just gonna pour them in there. Actually, I'm putting the vegetables in first. My bad. And I'm gonna let the vegetables cook for a little bit, and then I will pour the eggs in there, and we will be ready to go. Cooking is not hard, man. It takes a little bit of practice and, you know what I'm saying, and some willingness to be able to get in there and actually do it. You probably fuck up a couple times, but after a while, you'll get it. Trust me. So I decided to add some mini peppers to the mix. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm adding those in there for a little bit more flavor, more kick. Now I'm putting the eggs in there, and I will see y'all in a minute for the final product. Peace. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm back. Eggs are done. Don't make fun of my damn plastic plate. Y'all can go to hell. Listen, I don't like doing dishes every day when I'm eating 6 meals a day. I threw the peppers in the last minute. You know what I'm saying? I was like, man, I want some peppers. So I threw some peppers in there, so I'm going to see how it is. But I got my vitamin K in there, shit like that. But I always try to have some form of green veggies in every meal. So that's that. This is actually cream of rice. Listen, look on the damn side of the box. It's not that hard to make. I mean, follow the instructions. If you need me to, comment below, and I'll actually make a video on how to do this. I literally put the damn, you know what I'm saying, cream of rice in here dry, threw some water on it, and threw it in the microwave, and this is it. You know what I'm saying? It's not that complicated. So, what I put in here is, I put a little bit of this in here. You can get it from Kroger's. It's just, I mean, it literally doesn't have hardly anything in here. It's kind of like a banana flavor. It doesn't have too much of a sweet taste. It just has a hint of banana in it. So what I do with that is I back that with stevia. It's a natural root. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot better than fucking Splenda and all that other shit with the artificial sweeteners and shit like that. So I'm gonna throw that in there, and then I'm gonna eat this, and this is my first meal. So I'll see you on this clip. All right, guys, so I'm about to eat my second meal. I'm a little late, not too bad, but 8 ounces of chicken. I got some chopped up peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this 8 ounces of chicken. So no carbs. I'm gonna go ahead and eat that, and then I'm gonna go to my mom's house. In case you guys wonder, I work from home, so it's not like I just don't. I'm just a bum ass dude, and I don't ever work or make money or nothing like that. I work from home, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Go ahead and finish killing this gallon of water. This is actually half a gallon, but this is my second one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go to my mom's house, and then I'll see y'all for the next. Well, good morning. New day, another dollar. All right, I'm at the gym. Kind of tired though, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not really feeling it. So pre-workout's probably gonna be necessary today. But nevertheless, we're gonna get this shit fucking done. So yeah, hopefully I can bring y'all in there. I don't know, sometimes I'm at the YMCA, so they act a little bit, you know what I'm saying, funny and shit about shit like that. So I don't know, we'll see. But if I can get some footage, I'm gonna get it. So see y'all in a few. What's good, MCS fam? We back in the gym making it happen. Let's start off with hamstrings. And basically what I'm doing, I'm coming all the way down and then a 5-second negative to the top. I'm doing 5 of these reps, and I'll do 5 consecutive fast reps. And that is one set, and it will fuck you up. But I'm not going to do a voiceover just for instructional. I want to kind of, you know what I'm saying, chop it up with y'all and let y'all know what's happening, what's cracking a little bit. And then I'll explain more further in detail in the end of the video. But just know that I have been tested. Oh my God. One thing after a fucking another. I tell you, man. Like when it rains, it fucking pours. I was, you know, if y'all haven't seen already or can tell, I'm doing a show. I'm getting ready for fucking nationals. As you saw at the beginning of the video, I look peeled already, and I still have 9 freaking weeks. Your boy's been killing the game, and of course, adversity happens. And if it hadn't been for a special person in my life, that would have never happened. Actually, comment below if y'all want to meet this person. If y'all want to see who's been keeping your boy going and encouraged and all that. And, you know what I'm saying, been holding him down. And, you know what I'm saying, I might do a reveal. But, yeah, man, so I've been going through it, like, in every single, financially, mentally, emotionally. It's been a trying time for me as of late. But I'm just trying my best to overcome this adversity. You know what I'm saying? Like, I started this sport alone with the bare minimum essentials. And, you know, God willing, I'm going to make it through this prep. So, you know, that's where I'm at now. Your boy's a little flat today, so you can't really tell. But like I said, at the beginning of the video was, I believe, the previous morning that I actually recorded this video. And like I said, man, I still got 9 weeks left, and I look like how I did 3 or 4 weeks out of the last show I competed in. And I will bring better conditioning. I promise you, I'll be fucking peeled, man. That's what it's going to take for me to be able to walk away with the IFBB Pro card. So that's what your boy's going to bring. But I just want to touch base with y'all and let y'all know, yo, I'm still alive. I'm still cracking. I haven't forgot about y'all. I have finally broke the 100 mark, 100 subscribers, and I'm so thankful for my MCS fam. I want to keep providing content for you all, and I'm just so humbled right now, and I'm just so, you know, thankful for y'all. And yeah, be on the lookout for more videos, instructional and voiceovers, so I can kind of break down what I do and why I do it. And hopefully y'all can get a takeaway. If y'all have any questions and concerns or interest in more videos, comment below. But your boy will see you later. I'm about to sign off this voiceover and enjoy the rest of the video. Peace. All right, I'm gonna try to do this by holding the camera the whole time. But yeah, this is like probably almost a week later from the last clip. I'm slacking, but I'm gonna give y'all content like as promised. So much shit has happened this prep, I cannot even convey to you. Like, the emotions, the mental strain, all of that. The prep has been easy. Like, you know, the actual dieting, the gym, that is nothing compared to what some shit I have going on in my life right now. You know, man, this has been extremely hard. Hospital, you know, visits, all types of shit. I was not going to do the show, but somebody very dear to my heart reminded me, yo, you've been doing this shit since you were 15. You've been training for this show since you were 15 years old. It's 15 years in the making. You need to do this shit. And here I am, you know? So my plan, Junior Nationals, June the 15th, your boy will be there fighting for an IFBB Pro card. I've already got the hotel. I've already got tanning booked and all that shit. You know, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. There's a lot of things that's gonna have to happen before that happens. You know, but all in all, I'm excited. I'm gonna do it, and you know, prep is going great. I'm gonna let you guys in on probably another update another couple days from now, and I'll do a video strictly for that. And hopefully I can get some more tutorials and recipe videos and how-tos, all that shit. This prep, and so you can kind of see the fuck's been going on, how you do certain shit. If y'all have questions and concerns, personal life, exercises, nutrition, if you have any fucking questions, comment below. Hit me up on my IG, hit me up on my Facebook. You know what I'm saying? I'm here for y'all. I'm doing my struggle in life, my plight that I've been going through. You know what I'm saying? I feel like if I can share it and it will help somebody else to navigate past that shit, if they have to go through that shit, then that's why I'm here. I'm here so y'all can learn from my mistakes, and y'all can be there for the triumphs, and y'all can be there for everything, man. My life, you know what I'm saying, is on cam for y'all, right? So keep that in mind. But your boy Larry, MCS Fitness, you know, making a change through struggle, through adversity. We still here. We still triumphant. We still resilient. You know what I'm saying? The struggle makes us humble, man. Peace.